Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Bobby and the Monsters. Bobby, Mom said, it's time to sleep and dream of things that are nice. Kittens and puppies that are nice. New toys, ice cream and pie, but just one slice. But Mom, I'm too scared to go to sleep. Monsters are here every day. One will make a lot of noise and never goes away. Sure. Mom laughed and said, it's just Rocky Plum. Who in the world is that? A monster boy with purple hair and a nose that's almost flat. In fact, his purple lips and yellow eyes. He has purple lips and yellow eyes. In fact, he looks a lot like you. Oh, Mom, you know I don't look like that. Well, at least your lips aren't blue. Hi, don't you think he'll do bad things to me? Bobby asked. Oh, I still think he might. Oh no, he never hurts anyone. He's never been in a fight. But another monster comes from my bed and does something that I hate. He steals my socks, and when I get up, I make my mommy wait. One sock is red, the other is blue, and there's also one that's green, but one of each color is there is, and that's all I've ever seen. He likes to collect boys' socks, Mom said, and scatter them all over the floor. Then later he'll pick them up and threw them at the door. But where are the socks in the morning, Mom? Not all in the hall. No matter how long I look for them, I can't find them at all. The sock monster's name Rough Railroad. He takes one of each and wears the mismatched socks each time his Mom takes him to the bed. He's very cute, he looks a lot of fun, and it certainly means you no harm, but sometimes he acts very silly and wears a sock on each arm. Mom, I'm glad you told me that Rocky and Rufus aren't bad, but I'm still afraid of another one who also makes me mad. Sometimes he pulls off the covers right off my legs and feet, and when I wake up I have goosebumps. I wish my room had more heat. Mom laughed and said, it's okay, Bobby. He just likes to play tricks. And this way, I'll tell you, his name is Ricardo Sephiroth. And he thinks it's very funny to pull off the color covers at night. If you don't want him to do that, just let him to go fly a kite. Now go to sleep with a smile on your face. The monsters will never hurt you. I know that if you ever met them, you'll see why I said is true. Can you help me find the matching pairs? I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!